so now what we've done is we've already uploaded our video to YouTube. So now what we want to do is take our recording and link it over to our class calendar, to Google Classroom, wherever you have your information at. We're going to grab that link and then paste it over. Now while you watch the videos, you're like, oh my gosh, this is going to take me forever. Once you do it consistently for a week or two, it's going to take you no more than say 30 seconds to a minute once you get the hang of it. As with all things, perfect practice makes perfect. So how do we do that? You can do this all from the viewboard. It's all about, again, getting practice with it. Take one finger, hold it down on it until that right click appears, copy link address, boom. All right, I'm going to show you a couple different places. Now for myself, the whole math department, what we use is a Google document to keep our lives kind of all organized. We share this out with our students. All of our students live right here. So I'm going to go down to, not quite April yet, go down to today's date. So as you can see here, this is what the students are doing. And what is today? Today is the early dismissal. So let's just go to like tomorrow. So let's say this was our notes from for tomorrow. My notes, I bring up my keyboard, and right there, I'm going to add underneath there just a little bitty link that says video. So what I do then is, I'm going to go and say insert a link. And it's pretty simple by just saying insert, and then insert, got to scroll down just a bit to where it says link. And a new icon appears. If you've inserted a link before in a Google document, you just got to hold down right here where it says paste link, and when you hit that, hold that down, this like teardrop looking thing appears, and what's going to now do is when you release it, you're going to paste over that link, so you can see that link is pasted over. Up here in the text box, all I do is type in the word video, and now that video link of your notes for the day that you just did 30 seconds ago, all right, has been uploaded to YouTube, processed over, and now it's on your class calendar. So I do this first hour, and by the end of first hour into second hour, it's processed over, and second, third, I'm done. I don't do this anymore. I just do it for one class since it's done for my other two classes, and I'm good for the day. And now, do I get a lot of views? No. Why would you necessarily watch it? But I do get enough to where I can say it is out there for students to have an opportunity to go back, rewatch it. And it's, again, so simple to do. It's done in 30 seconds. It's a great resource to have out there. So again, to grab that video, hold down on it, copy link address. Now, that's how I do it in my class calendar. Everybody in our math department uses the same setup. I know not everybody does, so maybe you use Google Classroom. Now my Google Classroom is not quite as set up because I don't really use that very much. So in Google Classroom here, I will go ahead and create a material. And let's say this was for topic 1. Okay. And in topic 1, all right, you guys can go ahead and say create an assignment. And in that assignment, this was for say lesson 1. And in lesson 1 now, you've got your attachments, okay? And in lesson 1, you wanna go ahead and click your link button, hold down the paste, just like you would again, add any link over, add link, add video, and there it is. Okay, so it's not anything different than linking over an assignment that you've done in a Google document or a specific email address. You're just grabbing not email address, but a web address and linking that over as is. You click assign, you click post, whatever you want to do, however you post things over, that's on you. But in a Google document, Google Classroom, you're good to go. This is where how you can screen record and upload it pretty darn easily.